The pharmaceutical industry took a stand on Tuesday against restarting the Cross-Strait Service Trade Agreement. About a dozen members of pharmaceutical associations stood outside the Legislative Yuan to express their firm opposition.
They said the pact would allow an influx of inferior Chinese products into the Taiwan market. It would also hamper the development of Taiwan's pharmaceutical industry, they said. Their protest comes after two presidential candidates called for reviving the 2013 Cross-Strait Service Trade Agreement, which was never ratified due to public opposition.
The KMT's Hou You-yi and Wen-je of the Taiwan People's Party have both proposed restarting talks over the Cross-Strait Services Pact. On Tuesday, representatives of the pharmaceutical sector pushed back.
As soon as the Cross-Strait Services Pact goes live, it will create chaos for the traditional Chinese medicine sector and destroy the stable medical system we've worked so long to build, thereby reducing the quality of medical care. China would use its edge in production and its resources against upstream and downstream traditional Chinese medicine businesses in Taiwan, as well as everyone working in the field. It would severely squeeze our already shrinking market. The issues aren't limited to the influx of inferior drugs. There's also the erosion of the entire retail industry. There would be an impact on the Taiwanese people's medication habits. These are all issues we need to be particularly concerned about.
Industry players fear the Services Pact would harm Taiwan's economic and industrial development. About a dozen representatives from TCM and Western Medicine Associations protested outside the Legislative Yuan on Tuesday. They submitted a petition to each legislative caucus and voiced their opposition to the pact.
The DPP's position is very clear. We won't rashly accept the agreement and allow it to have an impact on your livelihoods and your industry. What we're afraid of is becoming the frog that's slowly boiled alive. Once China is allowed to infiltrate our retail sector, it will take advantage of its advantages, its human, material, and financial resources. It will have a significant impact on grassroots drug vendors.
The TCM and Western medicine groups made clear their opposition, urging Taiwan not to renegotiate the pact.